They say legends never die. So how can you even consider Zen a legend? Never. Die spit sal een paswoord zo even as a pity that even met your husky stem you still don't have what it takes to be a shepherd. But they kan niet.
What are you, bro?
So it's a pity that even with your husky stem you still don't have what it takes to be a shepherd. But zij kan met die jouw station met je honden in die club.
Jij!
Yo! Klaar. They say legends never die. So how can you even consider Zen a legend? Never. Die teacher spit sal een paswoord zo even as a pity that even met sy husky stem you still don't have what it takes to be a shepherd. But sy kan met die jaal station met die honde in die klip en een in die chamber dan ek die dok in die jaal meisen. Met die honde in die klip en een in die chamber dan ek die dok in die jaal meisen. My aim is spot on. So he's got a shot on the spot. Because it's all barking no. Because it's all barking no bite. But I know your thing. You see, Carl is a slave to master. That's why we don't always try to move in white circles. You're a parasite. Maar ik heb wel onder die groot gelaas. Het is die type broer wat zijn zo even met close was, maar hij is exactly wat de symbioot maakt. He's venom. So the next part, might is a ring of y'all, but wat weet zij van connections ook? Even in class and sees het zijn op come on. Maar zij die weakling. Praat van, hij heeft de position of leadership, maar couldn't leadership door beginnen in die seasick.
Brad! Zijn weekly.
Hij heeft de position of leadership, but couldn't leadership door beginnen in die seasick. You start to see the sales drop. Too bad. Maybe they only have noticed that Zenit would never remain top. See this young? This is his relapse. So if you see me pull out AI, what that mean? That the wheel back, the pump will have wheel lifted with such ease, you won't even feel Zack. Ik weet dat die liever kom met setbacks, so ek is altijd ready om te reset. So wat kan die teacher my teach? I've been in the school of hard knocks all my life, and even until today, I'm still going through some learning phases, but son, they school different. Hij was bij Catholic school doordat hij een certain age is. So best believe him. But son, they school different. Hij was bij Catholic school doordat hij een certain age is. So best believe if you see me raise these arms and let it, it's not gonna be for singing praises. After school was it job options, either dentist or a teacher. But either way gaan ek aan engage with like this wat aan the age is. I can actually start to see the relation. So een verkeerde move van die teacher, I turn die dentist een light in a dental patient.
Fred!
I turn die dentist een light in a dental patient. Stepping against ice. Can easily turn to a calamity. Ik zal je borstkast niet op vooruit stikken, meneer. Let's see waarin hij de dentist can fold this cavity.
Fred!
Yo! I want the dentist. No, she wants the dentist. Let's see waarin het. Yo! Yo! Let's see, when the dentist can fill this cavity, I possess no empathy, so we can easily turn to a horror scene as soon as I get in possession of Emily. Let's begin this assembly. Corporal punishment, so your family shall pay for the penalty. And I want corporal punishment, so your family shall pay for the penalty. And I want my pound of flesh, fam. Toe hy met ys sny, is aan orthodox, is aan like het was 'n kat in 'n meth lab. Pure horror. Zodra ik klaar met die bodies, en dan hulle weer op onder ijs. I'm the Godfather. So elke face sal vir X involve. As in soluble how I get away clean even though there's blood on ice. Hulle try nou nog om vir X te solve. Hulle try nou nog om vir X te solve. So sê vir wie wil niks step, dat ijs met X is weer terug in die business. Ek maak verseker dat die les by jou sal stiek. Even nadat die klas het is mis is. Klas is mis. Is ijs.
Away! Ice! Away!
Right,